Hello everyone, welcome to week 11, BCOM 3113, spring 2019. Sorry again so late in the week, but want to make sure we're all on the same page for this week's submission. So let's take a look real quick together. I want to point out just a few important things. Okay, so as you can see, we've got our outline here, and I've posted this amazing video that I was lucky enough to have Kelly Ebert volunteer her time a while back to do an interview with me. So please watch that. She volunteered her time and is a great resource. Even if you're not a business student, the Easton Center is still willing to help you, just FYI. Now here we obviously have your Dropbox folders for each component of the job package. I've been receiving some emails. Again, the bottom line is that the assignment is really tied to these rubrics and the video lectures from last week. The biggest mistake you can make on this assignment is to turn in a resume and cover letter that you've used before, and you may have used it recently. I even heard from some people that they've decided they were asking if they could use a job listing for a job that they've already got and they're going to start in the summer. And number one, you're not going to get anything out of it that way. You're not going to learn anything. That's kind of a waste of both of our times. I don't want that. Number two is you could be very upset because you could say, hey, I got the job in real life. I'm just going to submit the resume and cover letter for that because I already have it. And you don't even look at the assignment sheet. You don't even look at the videos that I made, and you don't even look at this rubric, because let's be honest, you can get jobs and entry-level positions and internships with a resume that's not going to be asking you to do what I'm asking. What I'm asking you to do is these things are what I think, based off of years of working in industry and with working in consultation with the Easton Center and with talking to hundreds of recruiters over the last 4 or 5 years at every single career fair OSU has put on. These are the things that are going to take your resume next level. Okay, so that's what I'm grading for. Same thing with the cover letter as well. Make sure that you look at the rubric, assess yourself. There's only 5 categories. Am I an exceptional level? Am I at above average? Am I average? Am I unacceptable? Right? Am I using the U viewpoint? Am I telling stories? Am I being specific and targeted? Am I starting each body paragraph off with the U viewpoint? Am I using one of the 3 ways that you're supposed to start the cover letter, which is from the cover letter video? So that's key to being successful. And I'm trying to make this as a caveat and a disclaimer so that, I would assume most people that go to the trouble to watch these videos are the ones following instructions anyway, so I'm probably preaching to the choir here, but I want to make sure that we're all on the same page. And so these rubrics and the stuff covered in the videos, that's what you need to be doing for this Pistol Pete Bad resume for group work 3. All those things need to happen in this as well. It's good practice. You can talk it through as a team. And then finally, there's career services extra credit this week, so make sure that you're doing that, or next week as well. Make sure you don't overload them. I've already heard from a few people who have made it. So again, bottom line, make sure that you are following the specific instructions for this class, not relying on just turning in the same old resume that you've always used. Other than that, let me know if you have any questions, and get to work.